driver unlocked, guys.
I know! This never happens.
Ever. And it's not gonna happen again.
Especially her riding with me. Claire's a little more calm, but I know this bitch is gonna critique.
You're gonna talk about calm.
Yes, she is. Let me see. I want the audio to. Okay, so we're going. I don't know where we're going. It depends on what Claire says, because she's the ringleader of all of our madness. Why do we look like cousins?
See that?
No, we look like we could be related.
No. No, please.
Yo, Claire, tell me. Okay, look at us in this mirror, in this camera right now, and tell us we don't look like cousins.
Y'all cute. Yeah, y'all look related.
Somebody give me a cigarette.
Ready?
Not the right Tylenol.
Look.
I don't know. This is my brother's medicine.
What do you mean?
This is my little brother's cough medicine, bro.
Oh
Wait,
my.
it's liquid?
Yes. I'll be
I'm gonna
back.
need.
I'll be back.
Let me.
Girl, I could've got you. I could've gotten that.
I'm already. I can drive like this.
I'm gonna try to look at what I'm looking at right now. Look at this. Look. Tits are on the steering wheel. Legs are hitting up against the. Like, oh
The
my
car's
God.
gonna turn off on accident. You think I can?
No, just back up. Anyways, so this is our first time being all together since, not even since my graduation party, since like your graduation party, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like early June. Because she left for the DR and then Claire left for Hawaii and I was stuck at home all by myself.
Yeah, and I was with her through darkest moments.
I know, I think it's okay.
We need to get on the road before it gets dark, because once it gets dark, I can't guarantee. I cannot.
You have like spare water in here?
Spare water?
How long has it been here? You know what, I don't care.
Only like a day.
As long as it's water.
Get water. Sorry.
As long as it's water. I know you're kind.
I'm not. I
It's
don't
a bottle full of vodka. Like, okay.
Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised.
No, as you drink that, I just want to tell you that that has been in there since about the second week I got my car.
Ooh. Tastes fine to me.
Water is water, to be honest.
To be honest, like, do you guys like do the brands? Like, oh, Kirkland is ass. Like, I can't drink.
Bro, I
Kirkland.
don't
I'm
care.
Like,
as long as the one thing I can't drink though is like tap water from Oakland specifically. Like that shit is actual. You better hurry up because if I don't get this pasta and lobster, I'm gonna be upset.
Got a white boy on my roster. He be feeding me pasta and lobster. He just hit me.
See, we got the person who's good at directions, the person who drives, and the passenger. Hey! Because Lord knows I don't know directions.
I'm not good with directions. I use maps everywhere I go, but I can tell somebody some directions if I'm looking at them, which I am.
Girl, I will take you the longest way possible. And it don't even be on purpose. It be on accident.
It's because I'm gonna take you the way how I know how to get there. Like, I don't care if it's the long way, but that's how I know how to get there. That's the way we're going. So, guys.
She won't edit this vlog until next year.
no, literally.
What happened?
I said you won't edit this vlog until next year.
No, I'm gonna edit it for real, y'all.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
Did you edit your birthday one?
That's what I was gonna say when you said that you were gonna vlog. I was like, one vlog at a time, babe.
I will. I'm gonna edit the birthday vlog and then I'm gonna edit this one and then I'm gonna post it. Well, I'm gonna edit the birthday one, post that one, and then edit this one and post it.
No, but I wanna like ask. I wanna ask it like for real.
Ask what?
Just don't say his name.
Like, are college guys worth it? Like, should I just keep my roster? Also,
girl, I don't know nothing about that.
Yeah, me either, to be honest. Don't go into college thinking you're gonna find your soulmate, because you're not. But you should definitely keep an open mind and just get a little taste of everything until you find the one, you know? But not like Don't like actually get a taste of everything. You know what I mean? Like, have conversations. Go on dates.
Am I taking a left here?
No.
Okay.
The next lane.
Alright, you guys said that from the beginning.
Well, I'm trying to change this from meters to
Jelly bean.
No,
normal.
I understand kilometers.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
Like, don't even sit here and tell that damn lie. So we're in Target right now. We're looking
Why do you need it?
for, what are we looking for again? Those.
Oh, that was quick.
Can I put this right here or like?
Oh, you should put it right here. So it's more level. So we're making shirts.
My shirt looks crazy.
And we found them instantly. So that's great. What size is this? This is a small. If I want it like tight.
Can we go to the book section?
You and these damn
I
books.
want it kind of tight though, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't trying to slut it out, but
You said that in the message.
that wasn't me.
Don't act different in front of me.
I think this is good
was it
because I
because
want a
I
little
swear?
room to breathe to.
Oh yeah.
What are we doing?
I'm gonna be eating some pasta.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
gonna
Yeah.
get a medium. Yeah, I heard y'all from out miles away.
Girl, shut up.
They only have a weighted.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute and a half. Don't yell at me. But we're here at Target. We have shirts that we're gonna put.
Okay, let's go look in the section.
Yeah, let's
I
just
want
get
the
those.
heart. Though,
Wait, never
'cause I
mind.
want
They're
to
not
say-
iron-ons.
Oh. Well, let's go check anyways.
Yeah.
Well, if it's not iron on, that just means it's probably gonna come off like by the time we wash it. But
Yeah.
so I'm here with Jelani and Claire. You guys know them, unfortunately.
What?
What?
Right.
Yeah.
Right. Y'all ain't know nothing about those 2009.
So what are we doing? Cards Against Humanity or Let's Get Deep?
Which one? Well, have you played any of these?
I've played
Cards Against
Which
Humanity
one is
does
this
get
one?
boring after a while.
Yeah.
But like Deep Edition.
Oh,
that
it's
was-
the one you gotta pick the funniest card or something.
Yeah.
Maybe we should do this one.
Let's see if
Cause
there's a
we can
different
actually tell
version.
stories with this one.
Yeah.
Like, you know.
Let's see if there's a different version of this.
Get the cake and get to
So
these letters.
can we go please get a basket because there's no basket.
Oh, what do I need a basket for? It's two things.
We need to leave. I need to get my spaghetti.
It's just one
I'm ready to
box.
eat some I'm ready to eat some pesto.
Oh yeah, y'all trying to be in the kitchen for good.
No.
Oh, that makes more sense though, because there's more. But honestly, it'll still be fun, like with the sets.
Cause like with the other
Oh,
girl,
girl, no, please.
what's
But I have been trying to get into like reading. Which one?
y'all? We on a time crunch. Look, black people can never like.
What was that?
They're terrible at just time.
No, for real. I've been going to the girls section. They don't have anything. Okay.
Ooh, we sighed at the same time. We're
Bro, we
meant to
literally
be.
passed the food section where the cake
Yeah, I'm like y'all are like.
It's back that way.
Following y'all.
I was following her.
Yeah, I led you guys in the wrong direction. He's so cute. If you're watching this and you were at Target,
He's not.
and my favorite bad girls are, even if my name was Natalie Nunn, you bitches still couldn't check me.
Anyways, what cake mix do you guys want? Confetti?
Yeah, Funfetti.
Funfetti.
Right. Look at all this cake. Anyways.
Yeah. Anywho, so my favorite baddies are from Bad Girls Club.
Okay, we can put that
I
on.
like
I'll just take it off.
I like Christina.
I know how to make the whip.
Judy is my favorite because I don't care what nobody says. Judy is my favorite bad girl because she's crazy and she's funny and she cries all the time and she's just like me. Bitch is always complaining.
frosting or no?
So Anywho,
frosting or no?
and yes,
I'll vote for frosting.
are we just gonna eat a bread cake?
What?
God,
A bread?
she doesn't like frosting.
It's fine. It's fine.
Wait, so you just eat the bread?
No, I like frosting, but I like the
I don't like-
non-dairy one.
I don't.
We about to eat some pasta and lobster. Let's
Right,
go.
no, hurry up. We're not eating nothing.
Well, you guys are the one taking. Sorry. Oh,
Hi.
he's so cute. Hi. Oh. Oh, he's still waving. Oh my God.
Wait, I gotta
fucking
be
love-
conceited for a minute.
Oh my.
Okay. You're my biggest haters, but
We're dressed for Walmart and Target. Let's get out of here.
Wait, there is nothing to see. Okay, so change of plans. We're not decorating the shirts now, but we still have matching shirts.
just wrote it on there, huh?
My hair.
That's what I was thinking. I was thinking that at first, and I was like, "Yo, they about to attack me." Like, no, but either way, we would have to go back to your house. So
Yeah.
we might as well just hit the road. You know.
I might.
Honestly, I think mine looks better. It's just.
Please get me out, like, please.
I wish I got that because that's hecka funny. Why are you trying to be different so bad? Y'all, she just trying to go through a door that doesn't even open. Hey y'all, we are at Olive Garden, and we just ordered our drink and an appetizer. We got some calamari, so it better be good. You know? Yeah.
I'm waiting for this bread.
Yeah.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Do you have what plates? Sorry. Do you want plates?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Do you have plates for them?
And I'm not even wearing
Thank you.
Thank you. We just ruined it.
That's just gonna come out.
Oh wait, I shouldn't put it up. That's
I'm ready to order.
me too. Okay, so we're gonna leave a little tour. So we got the breadsticks right here, some calamari, and then our little beverages or whatever. Hers is a little fancy. Little fancy girl. And yeah, I'm ready to order my soup and my spaghetti. And I'm ready to dig in. I don't even eat calamari, but when I'm hungry, I eat anything. She's oh, thank you. She's chowing down. Bro, that. Yeah. Someone's soup. Which one did you get?
Chicken.
Well, I think it was. I think that was the one I got last time I came here. So, the food came literally like less than 20 minutes later because it's super empty in here. We eating pasta and lobster. Like, it's so empty.
I don't even know, man.
For real. My mom got me.
Let me show y'all what we got here. So we have our bowl, our decoration glitter gel. We got our funfetti
Vanilla.
yeah, and then we got our measuring cup.
Our funfetti premium cake cupcake.
And we're lazy, so we're gonna use this mixer. Oh, and this is our bowl. Okay. Oh, and we got eggs. But yeah, maybe we should set it up like over here.
So first thing we're gonna need is our bowl. Yeah, our bowl. Wait, yeah. Yeah. And then we're gonna need, oh, the cake mix. Where's the cake mix? Where's the Where's the cake mix? This is not cake mix. Oh. Give it to me. Okay,
Baby.
I got it.
Slay.
Can you see? No. Someone look at. Oh, goodness. Oh. I need scissors.
You're getting it everywhere.
Don't lie to me.
I don't know what you just said.
Okay. There. Who wants to go next? I'm not sure what the next step is. I think it's to put the eggs into the batter. Nobody read the instructions, did they?
It's fine.
Anything in here?
Oh, wait, I think you're the only one that's supposed to see the directions. And then you have to like, yeah.
There's something in here? What's it? Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh, pouring.
Oh my god. Oh.
Did I do it wrong? Oh. I made a mess. It's fine. A minor mishap. I think the trash can. Is this a trash can? Oh. There. I'm like. Oh. Okay. That was an egg.
We're doing the blind, deaf, and mute challenge. Oh my god.
Wash my hair though. What if I get salmonella?
Hi, Ava.
Ava. Hi, Ava. Where's Ava?
Hi, Kyla.
Oh, no. I'm right-handed.
Oh my god. pour.
Oh.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god.
What happened? Oh, oh.
There's still powder.
You're right.
We're just gonna have to mix it while it's in there. You're gonna have her put the cake in the oven.
Is the oven even preheated?
You got it, babe. Been
Is it
drinking
heated?
watermelon.
You have to preheat the oven.
Oh my god.
I'm stressed out.
Wait.
Wait, I got it. Just give me a second. Okay.
Don't let go of it. Hold it.
Okay. Where am I?
Okay.
It's so warm.
Come a little closer. A little closer. Alright. Alright.
Can I put it down?
Okay. Alright.
Does this mean I can take my blindfold off for now?
30? 30 minutes? Okay.
So,
Hey.
guys, how'd I do?
Can I take it off?
Yeah.
Yeah, we did pretty good. That was quick.
Okay, how long?